Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna start playing with some colors today, see what we like, what we don't like. I'm wearing like some mustard colored pants, so might do something in like kind of the gold family with maybe like a little pop of color somewhere. I've really been enjoying color, especially since I keep seeing all these people's like tropical vacations and they have like these crazy intense, like super colorful. This always happens in the morning. I always like hiccup in the middle of whatever I'm saying. But anyway, we're just gonna play today and just have some fun with stuff. It's been a while since I've just sat down and just worked on just like freeballing it, just doing something and then seeing how it comes out. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. To set down, actually to go ahead and just start blending. Y'all, I'm so sad. I went to Nashville last weekend, as I'm sure y'all know if you follow my Instagram, and a couple of these like broke. And I don't know how they broke because I honestly never sling around my makeup bag anyway. So I'm gonna start off with Streaking, which is that nice little brown shade. So I'm gonna start the blending. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Strip, which is this mustardy brownie color. I mean, that's pretty much straight mustard because that's matching pretty well with my pants that I have on right now. For the middle of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this shade, and it is Casablanca, which by the way is an excellent movie in case you're wondering. I'm just gonna pick this up on my finger and just kind of stamp it. Picking up that, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Strip just to kind of blend like the top of that shade a little bit. With Giza, which is like this almost like pinky silvery shade. I think it'd be super pretty in contrast. I'm picking this up on like a dense, short, chibi brush. Which is like this beautiful, like deep, deep burgundy shade. Because, you know, I'm feeling some warmth today. I think we can make this look pretty fiery. Layer over Zulu right here. I think that, yeah, Zulu. And I'm picking up the shade Fulani. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like this dark brown here in the corner. And I'm going to be using, I'm going to use my favorite right now, primer. I've been using this kind of non-stop, excuse me, gosh. Every morning, I swear, I like hiccup. I'm using the no, just kidding. The Spotlight primer. It's the dupe for the Backlight from Becca. This is by Physicians Formula. It's super cheap, super awesome, and gives your skin such a nice, perfect glow. For foundation, I actually got my shade in this as well. I think this is my shade. It might be a little light, actually. I don't know. I think it always comes off lighter than what's in the actual tube. Maybe it's more like that, which seems a little light. Maybe adding another foundation into this. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Longwear Matte Foundation in the shade Bisque. I'm usually the second palest shade in most foundations, so I just kind of went with this. I'm usually not the palest, depending on what it is, but I'm usually fairly on the lighter scale. Anyway, for concealer that I just dropped, I have gotten addicted to this stuff. It's so good. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I went ahead and bought some the other day because the Ulta that's across from my work is a bomb, and they had the Catrice concealer, and every single time that I've gone in It's always been sold out because it's just so good. Everyone raves about it. And I really wanted to try it. And I tried it. I'm in love with it. And I've been using it pretty much non-stop. So... Alright, y'all, and for highlight, I'm using the color Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop, and in the shade Flexitarian. I'm just going to kind of bathe my whole face in this. And I'm going to start off with the shade Strip right here, just to kind of get us started. And then we're going to go in with the color. And now I'm going to go in with Zobo, which is like this super purpley color in the palette. And just run this up underneath my lash line to get us started. It's got kind of like a red undertone to the red, red undertone to the red undertone to the purple. So it's actually kind of marrying in with this look pretty well. We're gonna butcher these names. Makito, maybe? This shade right here, that royal purple. It's kind of not coming off, which kind of makes me think this shimmer shade would be best if used with your finger. Just not running up underneath the lash line like I'm doing. So I'm going to pick up that Giza shade one more time. Just on my finger and just kind of like stamp it on in the middle. I mean the inner part of my eye. And for mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and we'll almost be done. Last two steps that I'm going to go ahead and do to add just a little bit of pop of something. I'm taking the Jordana Easy Liner retractable pencil in Tantalizing Teal. I was going to use a purple one, but honestly the purple, I feel like the purple that I have is so muted. It doesn't really look purple, it just looks kind of darker. And I just wanted like a pop of something. I mean, it's summer, it's springtime-ish. It's one of the two. It feels like summer here, but anyway, I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Alright, and for lips, I started trying these out and I had to run back and go get another one just because they're so good. The only thing I will say is be careful how much you wear them because they are so long lasting. I feel like your lips can't breathe after a while, and that is the only thing. These are the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. These things are legit. Like, I have eaten in these, I have talked people's ears off, and these things only have budged a little bit, like right here, and that is the only time that I've noticed it coming off at all during the whole day. What is this shade? Oh, there it is. Amazonian. That took me way too long to figure that out. And this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you wanted to, you could even find like a brighter purple to go with this. My purples were not really like as intense as I wanted to, but otherwise I really like it. In fact, I still like it with this purple as well. It's still really pretty, still blended in really well with all the other colors. It didn't look too extreme against it. But anyway, thank y'all for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!